Speaker sir, fear and anxiety in the minds of the people as large areas, especially in Salsette, Bardes, Mormugaon and Ponda talukas, which are facing irregular, low pressure and tanker dependent supply, despite repeated assurances of 24/7 water. Households, hospitals, schools and small businesses are being forced to plan their lives around unpredictable water cuts. And therefore, I urge the Honourable Minister for Drinking Water to place before this House a clear time-bound plan to stabilize sources, reduce leakages, end tanker dependence and ensure equitable daily supply to every village and ward.
स्पीकर सर, ह्या हावजान ह्या विशयाचेर उलोवचे पयलीं म्हाका हांव येता तो गांव जी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आसा ती सांगे आसा आनी सांग्या भितर सगळ्यांच्यांनी पयलीं सगळ्यांत व्हडलो आनी ओल्डेस्ट डॅम साळावली डॅम हो जालो. कोट्यांनी स्क्वेअर मिटर जमीन सांगेकारांनी ह्या गोंयच्या लोकांची तान भागोवपा खातीर दिली. आपली घरादारां सोडली, भाट बेसां सोडली, देवळां तुळशी सोडल्यो, चर्चीस आसतले, मॉस्क आसतले आनी ते सरकारान दिल्ल्या ल्हानशा जाग्यां भितर रावले. हांव पयले सुवातेर ह्या सभागृहात रावन ह्या सगळ्या लोकांचे जे सॅक्रिफायस आसा म्हणून आयज गोंयान भितर येदे मोठ्या प्रमाणान आमी आमची तान भागोवपाक शकतात. आमचे इंडस्ट्रियलायझेशन आसतलें किंवा बाकीचे कमर्शियल यूज जातले. आयज आमी पळयत आसतना सादारण ते 360 MLD उदक हें साळावलीच्यान येता आनी त्या वेळार आमी धन्यवाद म्हणपाक जाय. एक दूरदृश्टी आशिल्लो नेता म्हणजे गोंयचे पयले मुख्यमंत्री दयानंद बांदोडकर, स्वर्गेस्त दयानंद बांदोडकर जी हांचे कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन आनी ताच्या नंतर आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री प्रताप सिंग राणे हांच्या ह्या प्रयत्नांतल्यान साळावली डॅमाचें हें जालें आनी 40 वर्सांच्या नंतर आमी जे सॅक्रिफायसीस केल्ले तांकां प्लॉट मेळना, तांकां उदक मेळना अशा परिस्थितीन रावपी ह्या आमच्या सरकारान डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंताचे BJP सरकारान पयर तांकां प्लॉट तांच्या हक्काचे क्लास 2 टू क्लास 1 गेले आनी मिसींग फॅमिलीज आशिल्ल्यो जांकां आतां पर्यंत घर बांदपाकय जागो मेळना आनी तांचे एग्रीकल्चरा खातीरय जागो मेळना. ह्या सगळ्या लोकांक आमचे वॉटर रिसोर्स मिनिस्टर सुभाषजी शिरोडकर तशेंच डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत, रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर मनसुरात बाब हांच्या सगळ्यांच्या प्रयत्नांतल्यान आयज तांकां सगळ्यांक तांच्या हक्काची जागा मेळ्ळी. कॉलिंग अटेन्शनाक आन्सर करता आसतना जे आमचे ऑफिशियल आन्सर आसा ते हांव करतलोच, ताजेर भासाभास जातली आनी आमी कितें उपक्रम घेतले आसात सो दॅट आयज जे एखादे शॉर्टेज ऑफ वॉटर जाता ती आमी कशा प्रकारे सगळ्या लोकांक उदक दितले हाचेर आमी भासाभास करतलेच. इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा all the areas are provided with potable water supply and there is no acute water shortage except few hilly areas and the water scarcity happens during the plant shutdown for maintenance works, power failures, breakdowns, maintenance works taken up in case of pipe breakages mostly caused due to ongoing works of laying utilities and breach of Tilari Canal. The government is facing continuously increasing demands for services due to increased tourism, population growth, economic development, growth in the industry and trade, the influx of migrant population, floating population, etc. Speaker sir, in order to achieve proper and continuous water supply and that to quality water supply for our state, it is necessary to improve not only the water supply system facility, but Speaker sir, also to improve the knowledge and understanding of wise water use. Speaker sir, keeping above in mind, the DDW is continuously investing and upgrading and modernizing our treatment facilities, distribution networks and storage system. DDW is also striving to minimize losses and maximize the utilization of treated water sources. Speaker sir, DDW is implementing smart monitoring system for real-time monitoring of water supply. This will help DDW to optimize water distribution network, detect and repair the leakages promptly, and identify opportunities for efficiency improvement. Speaker sir, as regards raw water, WRD has already taken up various measures as required to ensure raw water availability, especially in North Goa, and the alternative arrangements of raw water is also initiated. Speaker sir, the department has taken up augmentation of water supply schemes and the construction of new water treatment plant totaling to 325 MLD as listed below, that all the projects I'm going to announce now, along with the reservoirs, conveying and distribution pipeline, replacement of old and aged pipelines in a phased manner is also being taken up on priority in improvement of water supply in the state. Work of replacement of 217.80 kilometers of pipeline is in progress. Speaker sir, I would bring to the notice of House that the new initiatives that we have taken up, and we are going to complete the entire process in another 6 months. All those projects, 25 MLD water treatment plant at Ganjem in Valpoi constituency, which will yield 25 MLD of water and is going to complete by April 2026. 30 MLD water treatment plant at 2M in Mandraim constituency. It is 30 MLD which will yield 30 MLD, going to complete April 2026. Both these projects, approximately 80% of the work has been completed, and we are trying to achieve this in another 4 months to get it fully commissioned. 5.6 MLD pressure filter plant at Asgaon in Sholim constituency, which will be commissioned in 2026. The augmentation of Asnora WTP plant by 30 MLD, which is going to be completed in May 2026. 100 MLD water treatment plant at Salaulim, that is in progress on schedule, and it is going to complete May 26. The major, the yield that we will get 100 MLD at a time. 15 MLD W treatment plant at Morlem in Poriem constituency is going to complete in November, about 11 months to go. 10 MLD water treatment plant at Menkurem in Bicholim, that is going to complete in another 1 year's time. That will fetch us 10 MLD. 15 MLD WTP plant at Pilan in Saligaon, that will yield us 15 MLD, going to be completed in another 1 year's time. 10 MLD pressure filter at Kuelim in Kotalim constituency. The work order to be issued shortly, and it would get completed within a year's time. 5 MLD WTP plant at Gaunem Gaunugari, Kankona. The work order is issued and the work would be started soon. Salaulim upgradation of 160 to 240, that is 80 MLD of additional water supply. We will get it from Salaulim Dam once again, and this, if you total up, it works out to 325 MLD of water. Besides, the plant capacity of Asnora WTP, that is going to be enhanced to 92 MLD. In addition to the above, various pipelines and other infrastructure works are in progress under Amrut 2.0 program in urban areas. With the above measures in place, proper, sufficient and continuous water supply will be maintained in the state. Right now, our requirement is the capacity of existing water treatment plants is 674.50 MLD, whereas the requirement is at 695, having a deficit of or shortage of merely 21 MLD of water. The capacity of ongoing and newly proposed water treatment plant is 325, and when we add up to the 674, it works out to 1000 MLD. As of today, if you calculate it totally, our need is 700 MLD. The supply would be in another 6 months' time, would be something around 1000 MLD. Whereas we have seen that 42%, nearly to the 42%, we have an RW. Means, right, as of today, we get, though we supply 674.50 MLD, the billed amount is only 365. There are losses, ground losses, there are leakages, there are faulty meters that needs to be, we have to take a call, fix the responsibilities, fix the meters, and we have to adopt to the new automation, new metering, digital metering, laying off the, replacing of the old pipelines. Those are there for 40, 50, 60 years. Speaker, sir, once we do this, I think the state will earn additional 125 to 150 crores of rupees yearly, which we will be able to gain the revenue for the state. I think what I have the information I have placed before the August House, and further if any of the members would like to have in detail, I would proceed and I would wish to place before the required information.
Speaker sir, जे एक हे कॉलिंग अटेन्शन आमी मांडला खूब गरजेचें आनीक उदकाचे प्रश्न आज सुरवातेक पयले सुवातेर मिनिस्टराक हांव कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता कित्याक सांगेकारान जायतो सॅक्रिफायस केलो आनी इट वॉज अ लॉंग पेंडींग डिमांड वेन द पीपल वर शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम सेलावलीम डॅम. पूण आज म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर जेन्ना ड्रिंकींग वॉटर खातें मंत्रीक जेन्ना एलोकेट केलें त्या वेळार म्हाका दिसता आज एक बेजीक नेसेसिटी उदक हे एक कॉन्स्टिट्युशनाचो हक आनी सगळ्यांक मेळपाक जाय. पूण उतर जरी तो रिप्लाय स्टार्टिंगाचो येयल्यार स्पीकर सर, युअर रिप्लाय स्टेट्स दॅट in the state of Goa, all the areas are provided with potable water supply and there is no acute water shortage except during plant breakdown. Now, everyone in the house will agree with me that this was the same Sarkar that said, Har Ghar Jal. Goa, they said, was the first state to give Har Ghar Jal. Today, the situation on the ground is completely different, Speaker sir. I agree with what the minister then continues and says in his reply, that the government is facing continuously increasing demands due to population growth, economic development, migrant population, etc. Now, Speaker sir, हेजेर last time आमी calling attention घातलेलें, त्या वेळार मुखेल मंत्री was the PWD minister. आणि जेन्ना आमकां हिंगा उतर दिलेलें जे आतां माननीय मंत्री सांगता 6 म्हयने आदीं खास करून गोंयची कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी म्हण ती जावपाक जाय पयली सुवातेर. कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी म्हणजे आतां उमके कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन कितलें उदक येता, कितलें उदक लिकेज जाता, कितले कसले प्रोजेक्ट येता, हे प्रोजेक्टान जरी तर लोकलांक उदक मेळना जाल्यार मागीर म्हाका दिसता आमी एक लक्ष घालपाक जाय की this carrying capacity has to be defined of every village, every constituency. We cannot just keep quiet here. Maybe we are MLAs are in the ruling, but it is a fact that in the state of Goa there is huge shortage of water. There are court directions given. For example, in Donapal, there are directions given. what is happening in several places. You can see tankers are supplying water in so many places. Some places licenses have been given with a clause that tanker will supply water. How now there is new rule? Just I have not seen whether it is, but don't think this announcement kela. Medical treatment जातले umke township. Speaker sir, leakages and जे मान्य मंत्रीन सांगला. This is the main cause. जे NRW जे पडे leakages जाता, एका ने pipeline घालपाक. आता मान्य मंत्रीचे गौर आमचे शिमेर आसा आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. तेका खबर आसा just about 2-3 months back, there was a proposal last year which I had moved, and the pipeline of Paroda is to be changed. There is shortage, even if the Mantri can say, even I think in your house, there is water, limited water coming. But you have sacrificed because the same pipeline will now come. The same water problem exists almost everywhere. Practically every constituency. How do we fix this? And why is the water becoming, मैं सांगता है कि स्लोपाचे गोरा हाँ, उनको वाल्व, उनके धार राउंड करपा जाए, बार राउंड करपा जाए, हम which time आ रहा है? We are in digital age. People are going, changing. In the morning only, I think one of my constituency called Bab Alex Regional to say that water in the neighboring constituency of Kurtorim and Girdolim, एकलो फ्रँकी म्हणो पांच आहा, तो रोकडो फोन माता, कोल्ल्या मोठी मोठाय थिंगा उदो नाम. करेक्ट. सो तो डायवर्ट कोण आनी कोणा उदो सप्लाय जावपा जाय मू तो तेच डायवर्ट करता आनी इंगूण जाता. सो ते जायते भाशेन तो राउंड माता मागीर सुमार घेवन मंत्र माताय ते भाशेन चूं चूं चूं. उमके उदो उमके पावतले. नो मॅपिंग, नो डिजिटल. विच एरर आर वी इन सर? आज डिस्पाइट 24/7 promised by this government, सुदीन बाबी गाना सरकाराचो संकल्पय ना. संकल्प पत्र आशिल्लो 24/7 उदो दिवपाक. पर तुवें एक रेजोल्युशन घायलें उदो मोर्मुगांव मेळना म्हूण. It is a fact. Everywhere there is no water, and your reply itself says that there is no acute water shortage. I mean, we can't fool the people because as legislators. Today, this chronic supply shortage, from 24/7, it became Nilesh Kabral. I appreciate him because he rightfully said, 8 hours I will try to do it all over Goa. I took it as a challenge. Now you've got this main portfolio. This is not chiller portfolio. This is main portfolio. You are capable. I know that you are capable, but you should initiate this action that people get this water. Magi Mukhel Mantri last time said 4 hours. People are shouting whether they even get 2 hours, and that 2 hours also in 2 days. Speaker sir, can we imagine? Ami anna uta. Tak shower bond poda. Am kit kotle. Sabaw solo tonar. Lok kit kote astale. Bindul gen udo atay. Ani huichan udo atay. Which tepar am hai speaker sir. And project wadota sir. So this chronic supply shortage demands, speaker sir, that outstrip supply. Aj, what you have said about 645 MLD is the requirement of the state of Goa. You are falling short according to what calculations we have done. You said about 15 to 20 MLD, but it looks like it is more than 80. It is more than 80 to 85. And ejer maga dista problems jata intermittent supply, and they have to rely on tankers. It's because a breakdown maintenance I can understand, but pipeline networks that have been put for several years, and there are also diversions. Last time Michael Lobo said that water is being pulled and illegally tapped into various hotels. Those things, that losses due to all this channeling that has happened, all these illegalities, Magadista, you need to map it. Speaker sir, aaj thode kodin je raw water source, this is also an issue. Raw water source, Tilari Canal network, that has been a key source. Frequent breaches and seepages, forcing authorities to halt that reduced flow. This is also another issue. And unplanned interruption janna jata, this impacts the water treatment and downstream about the supply and the reliability. Localized tanker dependency in Panjim, so many places, they are only depending on tankers. It's because aaj Magadista government-run tanker services are inefficient. You should agree that you have inefficient tankers. They can hardly do 8 to 10 trips. There is a limited number of resources, number of tankers with the government. आज जे प्लॅनिंग फेलियर जाता, जे हे प्लॅनिंग हाय डेन्सिटी हाऊसिंग, जे टुरिझम प्रोजेक्ट्स, वी नीड टू अंडरस्टँड टुडे जे तयार लेक आहले तेजे उदो एक दिसा 1908 पणजे उदो आसूना, त्या वेळार ते उदो पायपांतल्यान थिंग वयलें, देयर वॉज अ ड्राफ्ट, देयर वॉज अ ड्रॉट. आनी हे आमी आज उदक जेन्ना म्हादयच पासत झोगडी जावपाक शकताय उत्तर गोंय दक्षिण गोंयामध्ये, वॉटर इज द बेसिक थिंग that is required. You need to look into new initiatives. You have said that you will look into more digital things. So म्हाका दिसता major project, treatment plants, barrages, additional raw water sources, this will reach by 2027. But at the start, you should write to various ministers, to the chief minister, to the TCP minister, that there is a problem of carrying capacity in the state of Goa. And all this because म्हाका दिसता हे जातले जाल्यार आमकां पयले सुवातेर हे मेगा प्रोजेक्ट म्हणटाय ते सगळे बंद जावपाक जाय. विलेजरांक पयलीं उदक येतालें, आतां आमी सांगताय तें लिकेज जाता आनी कितें, तितलें उदक येता, उदक काय पायपलायन हितून तुमगे वाडलो ना. मेजर 50% इज लॉस्ट. यू से द लॉसेस आर अबाउट 130 crores. That losses of water due to so much of water that will become 130 crores of income to use. Because sir, म्हाका दिसता while the government documents to aspire a universal 24/7, you had a realistic approach. 8 hours when you were quite working towards that goal. मागीर कितें जालें तें आम्हाला खबर ना. आतां बरें कितें जावपा आमी आयको येता सर. बट म्हाका दिसता येते विका. Because sir,
Calling attention, चार जणांचे तुम्ही.
because sir, this is not a temporary glitch.
Four
This
people.
is a systematic
You are taking the entire time.
failure of planning and infrastructure and execution. So म्हाका दिसता खास करून आनी एक in my म्हज्या मतदारसंघात the files are pending in the sense expenditure sanction लागून उरलो आहाय in Girdolim and in Shandor, that water pipeline चे म्हाका दिसता हे आमच्या constituency एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जाता. वी हॅव ऑल्सो प्रपोजल हे आमच्या मुखार घातलो बट हे इश्यू.
Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.